We already know that what is conflict. Conflict is disagreement between two or more persons. So whenever we are trying to solve conflict, we have certain strategies that will help us solve the problem. So to solve a problem, first thing is develop superordinate goals. Superordinate goals is by avoiding the interest related to the conflicting issues, try to find out the common areas between these two parties, and focusing on those areas is known as superordinate goals. So identifying and pursuing a set of performance targets that conflicting groups can achieve only by working together. So focus them that if both of you work together, it will benefit all of you. So by focusing this superordinate goal, you can solve the problem. Next, supply the critical resources. In many a times, conflict occurs due to mismatch in the resources. For example, you have 15 taka and you gave this 15 taka to distribute to two departments. One took 8 taka and another took 7 taka. That's why who took 7 taka has engaged into conflict with the department who took 8 taka. That's why if you expand your resources to one more taka, it will be equal to both of the department and resolve the conflict. Clarify existing relationship and mention them that how and why they are connected. Show them reason and encourage them, be reasonable on how and why they are connected, and do not let them uh, do not let them to be out of this boundary relationship. In many a times, personality clashes becomes very complex. That's why you can modify existing structural relationship and solve the problem as well. Creation of self-contained tasks. It involves combining the work of two or more independent groups and assigning this work to several independent work groups. So one work is distributed among many different parts, and that's why this self-contained task will resolve conflict as well. But if we keep them this within this one or two party, it will create problem. And last but not the least, use power. When all your strategies failed, use your position power and resolve the conflict into the organization.